Hey, this is your Discord admin, Lime Pretzel. I'm going to show you a few things about a cool Discord tool called Meowthbot. It can be very handy for organizing raids and trades and all sorts of things. And if most of you guys want it, I'll implement it into the Discord. And if not, that's the way it goes. So let's get started. Alright, on this test server of ours here, let's click level 4, and let's say we see a level 4 egg. So for that, you'll just type !R for raid, 4, and location. Just pick anything. Bulldog tap. Alrighty. For that, it'll create a channel for that. And you can set a timer for when it'll hatch. So let's just say it'll hatch in 1 minute. So you'll type timer set 1 minute. It will hatch in 1 minute. And when that happens, it'll ask us what it is. And the cool thing about Meowthbot is most of the time it gets the directions right. So if you want to know how to get to Bulldog, click here. Oh hey, that's how I get there. Address and everything. And if you already know what something is, let's just say I see a Marowak raid and I will report it now. !R, Marowak, Osgood Park. Boom. Channel gets created. And from here, we'll say it's gonna despawn in about 20 minutes. But since I'm starting up this raid, I'll say we will start the raid at 6 o'clock on the dot. So 6 p.m. Well, did that wrong. Start time, 6 p.m. And from there, you can click !I for interested, !C for coming, or !H for here. So I got here early. I'm just going to say I'm already here. And if I have people coming with me, I can say here, and I got my car full of people, H5. And you scroll to the top, it'll even say who's all here. And if you're curious about all the other commands, you can just click the question mark there. And Meowthbot will message you with all the crazy things you can type. You can type list if the chat gets too full, just to kind of see what's going on. Start time, people coming, yada yada. Oh, looks like our egg hatched. And it is, let's just say it's a Marowak, because that's on the top of my head. Marowak. Boom, channel automatically changes to Marowak Bulldog Tap. And same for this. Start time. Let's do 6:20 p.m. I'm interested with 3 other people. Easy as that. And then these channels just disappear when it's all over. It's nice and neat. And the cool thing is you can set up notifications even. If I want to be notified when any registeel happens, I can go to type !want registeel. Boom. And just to show that, let's just create another fake registeel raid. Raid registeel. And let's say Buffalo Pass. And I'm doing this for another reason, because currently Meowthbot doesn't have Buffalo Path in its database. We'll get that fixed, but I'll show you how to update addresses yourself. So, Registeel. Boom, Registeel. And so the address will not be correct for this one, but if you'd like, go to Google Maps, type in West Acres, because we all know that's where that is. Click the share button. Just paste it right in there. And boom, Meowthbot updates the address. And now I know how to get to Buffalo Path. And you know, that's about it for raids. And you can see I got alerted by the @Registeel role, because I joined that by saying I wanted Registeel. But it also works for other Pokemon. I can say, I want to know when a Charmander appears. Boom, Charmander. And so if someone else says, oh, I just found a Charmander. Yeah, I'm still learning too. Wild Charmander, let's say it's at Morrid Center Mall. And I got alerted that, boom, Charmander. And I can click on directions. Oh, that's how I get to Charmander. And if I can say I'm on my way by clicking that, or I can click this for saying it's gone. Pretty easy. And I know other people want dittos, and you can do that too. Want ditto. Wild ditto. Island Park. Not only that, you can do trading. You can type exclamation trade. I'm offering one of my snazzy Torkoals from GoFest. I'm willing to trade my Torkoal for Shiny Zapdos, J Unknown, Mr. Mime, and Deoxys for giggles. And my little trade listing gets created. And then anyone who views this can click any of those buttons and they'll get sent a message. Like, I'll trade my Deoxys for your Torkoal. And ordinarily you get a notification for that. But earlier I did that with someone else and it kind of looks like this. They say, I'm offering your unknown queue for your Celebi. And you can click, I'll accept it or not. And then you can then arrange your friend codes and other trade things that away. So, well, I can't think of much else to show you guys of this, but Meowthbot does a lot of cool things. And if you learn how to do it, it makes things real simple. So look into the announcements pretty soon on the actual Discord. I'll create an announcement with a poll to say if you like Meowthbot, you want it integrated into the Discord, or you don't like it, which is fine. We're going to run a contest. If you vote and use this little emote here, which is lime thumbs up, I'll randomly select one of those at the end of the poll, and I'll give away a $10 gift card for iTunes or Android. So, well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video.